Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So, what is programming? Programming is a technological process for telling a computer which task to perform in order to solve a specific problem. So, long times ago, when computers were invented, it's the beginning of computer era. Programmers or the engineers, they were doing programming or giving the task to the computer in the form of binary languages. So, what is the binary language? So, you can imagine it as just saying computer with the help of 0 and 1 what it has to do. So, how difficult and tedious this task is. So, let's see, this is my name Akshay, and you can see how long this is in binary codes. So you can see here my name, it's a too much long combination of zeros and ones. So it's a very difficult and tedious task for the programmers and engineers at that time to instruct the computers. That's why programming languages were invented. So what's a programming language and what's its purpose actually? So let's see why programming languages is needed. So right now we code in the languages that are familiar to us, that somewhat look like our English language. It has semantics, it has some kind of grammar. So we code those languages or instructions, we code our task to computer in those languages. Then that is sent to the programming languages like Python, C, Java, C Sharp, etc. etc. Then those languages are nothing but a program that will convert our source code files to the binary codes such as this zeros, ones and 0101s. Then those files are fed to computers and then computer will perform the task and it will give us the awesome applications that we use in our day-to-day life. So this application where I am showing you all this graphical representation, it's also a computer program and computer just understand the combinations of zeros and ones. So let's see why programming languages. So Python, in this lecture or in this series, we are going to see Python. So Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. So in future, we are going to study deeply what is interpreted, what is object-oriented, what is high-level programming languages. So let's see some features of Python, why we are going to use Python and why we are not going to use binary or any other languages. So first feature is easy to read and write. We don't have to read and write that complicated 0101 binary codes. The second feature of the Python is it is a dynamic typed language. Then Python is interpreted language. So what is interpreted? Actually, in programming world, there were two concepts. One is compiled language and one is interpreted language. We will see the difference between compiled and interpreted in the next lecture. And then the feature of the Python is an object-oriented language, along with it is a high-level language. So we need not to do some basic stuffs for handling memories and all other things. So these are the features of Python programming languages. In the next lecture, we will see how Python works. Python is interpreted language, how it is interpreted language, etc. etc. We will see the example as well. So this is all for the today's video. If you find this content helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.